calculator, you can find those. This is the only question that you're going to actually make the scatter plot. You're going to plot these points, X's and Y's. These are coordinates. Your line of regression just by eyeing up the data values. And when you do this, you're going to have a graph that's approximate. You don't need to actually do the linear regression on your calculator. After that, all of these problems that are in your book, you can use your calculator to figure out the answer. Don't even plot anything on paper. Just write your answers down on a piece of paper and answer those questions. So none of these do you have to do a scatter plot. You can do the scatter plot on your stat plot. So if I want to plot these values, I go to stat plot and do that scatter plot. And then I always make sure I hit zoom stat so I get the right graph. But you don't need to copy that scatter plot down. Nah, I got too many plots on. Nah. There we go. So I would look at that and say that's a fairly strong positive linear correlation. That's what you'll be doing with some of these other questions. You're going to have some questions. Be specific as to what they are. You can email me this weekend for those of you that are in first period or those of you that are watching this a second time. Figure out what we have. We'll talk about this. Finish up the other paper. Finish this paper for Monday. The other thing is that there is a Canvas quiz, homework check over some of this stuff. That is due Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. People that procrastinate, I don't even think I would touch it right now. I would look at that in SRT next week or sometime. It's not too bad of a quiz, and you can take it multiple times. That's all.